Today we are using IDM, how to install and how to active. Today we are showing. This is the simply we are working. We are downloading the IDM already. Just now is tracks. Oh, also need to off your virus threat protection. Now have the virus threat protection. Where we are go settings. Because we are giving other way license. So go the privacy or update and security. We are going the update and security. Now go to Windows security. I think this PC Windows security already permanently off, so there have no need to the off in your Windows security. This PC not have the any threat, so we are not off the virus. So now we are installing IDM. We are using the there have language. We are using the English. So okay. Then next, accept. Next, we are not selecting the location. So just default location we select. Then installing. We are showing how to crack. See, the IDM is installation done. When we are double click the IDM this time, what is the show? Just wait, it's coming. They are asking. You see, everybody see this now. They are asking the first name, username, license number, or how to purchase this one. So we not purchasing. So there have already option how to purchase. So we are cancel. Again asking, we are cancel. They are showing how to connect in the browsers, so no need this one. Close. Again try to on. Tips don't show. Now IDM is on, but they are asking when we are downloading more or others, they are asking the license, so we are giving the crack. At first close the IDM properly. You check in here, IDM is happy, they are happy, so click right buttons and exit. Also check in taskbar, IDM is on or off. Need to proper off IDM. Yes, there have the IDM is off. So go this file, then crack, just copy, right click, open location, then big screen, view, reflex, then IDM, double click the register file. Okay. Now we are double click in the IDM. It's easily open. There all option is working now. The registration already done. Registration, IDM registration. The product license. The product is licensed to. The product is licensed to. Already shown. Also, we are showing the how to work in the IDM browsers. We click this one. Also, the IDM is working. Then it's coming here and downloading is starting. The IDM is now is working. Next video we are telling then how to connect IDM in the browser we are giving. Thank you.